Do not get me started. Actually, that's what we're here for. Get me started. Let's go. So if you're interested on getting some details on this hair, just keep on watching. So I am rocking the Brazilian Loose Deep Wave. This hair is in 20, 22, 24 inch and an 18 inch frontal. So I've gotten 3 bundles and 1 frontal. Upon receiving the hair, the weft construction looked pretty good, nice and clean. The bundle size was pretty average. I wasn't blown away, but also for as long of lengths as I did get, it looked pretty good. So I wouldn't say it was skimpy. I do wish now I would have gotten probably a 4th bundle, just for some added volume and thickness. I like thick hair. So the only issue I really had with this hair was that it did have a bit of a corn chip smell. You know, yeah, it did. And even my stylist upon installation mentioned like, this hair is really pretty, but it kind of stinks. And it took about 2 weeks for that smell, I would say, to kind of fade down. And that was with shampooing it every like 3 to 5 days. So did not love that at all. But now sitting here at 1 month, I can't smell it at all. So it does eventually go away, but it's just kind of off-putting when you get hair and it's like, you know, you don't want your head to stink. So it did come with the corn chip smell, but other than that, the hair was beautiful. It was soft. It was true to length. And I was really excited to get it installed. Post-install, 1 month later, how does this hair hold up, sis? We wanna know. Shedding. This hair does shed, just as almost every other hair does. Our own hair on our head sheds, so it is only natural to get a couple of strands here and there. Now, this shedding I would say is a little bit more than minimal, but it's not quite excessive. The curl pattern, of course, you know, when you first get the hair, it comes in that processed kind of curl. Once you wash it, it does loosen up and becomes this beautiful loose deep wave that you can see here. So this is just air drying how the curl pattern looks. Really pretty, really natural, photographs gorgeously. And is one of the biggest reasons to get this hair, okay? It's just pretty. It's really, really, really pretty. Overall, the bundles were not that frizzy. I had very minimal issues with the actual bundles in that aspect. Now, when it comes to the frontal, it's a little bit different of a story, unfortunately. I had a lot of issues with this frontal, girls. Do not get me started. Actually, that's what we're here for. Get me started. Let's go. The frontal, it gets really frizzy. And I'll get to this later, but this hair doesn't really like product, so it's really hard to keep it tame and keep it matching the texture and the curl pattern of my bundles when I can't really put any product in it. I also did notice some balding issues happening, especially in the last like week or 2. So overall, I'm not feeling the frontal. I would go ahead and pass on that. I don't know about their closures, but the frontal is not the way. Okay, obviously this is a bit of a curly texture, a deep wavy texture, so you're gonna have a little bit more maintenance involved naturally than if you were to get a straight or body wave textured hair. So with knowing that, I would say overall the maintenance of the bundles is pretty average. You have to detangle it You have to, you know, make sure it's hydrated and things like that. Make sure it's being washed often enough, so that way it's not getting built up with dirt and or product. If you can find a product that this hair likes. I personally couldn't. I've just been washing it, conditioning it, making sure it gets rinsed out really well, and then just letting it air dry and do its thing, boo. This hair has no product in it at all right now, because every time I try to add in a oil or serum or whatever, it just does not like it at all. It gets really dry, it gets really tangly, and just kind of throws a fit. So I just found the best thing for this hair. I've just been using herbal essences, their argan oil, conditioner and shampoo, and just letting it bool. The frontal, I've noticed a little bit of matting in just because it gets so dry right up here in the front as well. But overall, not really an issue, just kind of here and there type thing. Like I said, yeah, curly hair, it's gonna tangle up a little bit, so that's just kind of to be expected, but it was not excessive. It was not an issue at all, really. Would I buy this hair again? Yes, I would buy the bundles again if I was going on vacation or just wanted a short-term look, birthday hair, vacation hair, you know, just wanting to wear it for about a month or so and not reuse it. Yes, I would rebuy this hair. The frontal, I would not touch. I'm not with this frontal at all. But the bundles weren't bad. Like I said, they're just so pretty, and it's just kind of a shame that this frontal kind of ruined this. I paid $200 for 3 bundles in a frontal. Where you gonna find that at? You know, it's a really good deal. Now, of course, with that, you, like I just said, you do get what you pay for. So I ran into some issues with the hair alone. Really wasn't bad. Other than just it kind of being frustrating that I couldn't seem to find any kind of product that would help the hair versus make it tangle. So, but other than that, you know, for $200, that's really good value. I think I covered everything. So yeah, I'm actually about to get this hair taken out tonight, and I'm gonna be installing some Hair Addict online hair. Raw Indian hair. So definitely different, way different game than this Tinashe hair I'm rocking, okay? This is more short term, on a budget, just need some hair, just want to get a look type of hair, okay? Hair Addict online hair is going to be more of an investment, and it's going to be hair that you can reuse multiple times. It's going to really just, we'll get into that, okay, in the next video. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want, I guess. Yeah. See you in my next video.